Are you looking for the top 5 best exercise bikes for home workouts? Tired of expensive gym memberships and not getting results? Here are the 5 best exercise bikes I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Mirage Exercise Bike. Let's kick things off with the Mirage Exercise Bike, priced at $265.99. Right off the bat, the sleek design and sturdy build caught my eye. If you want a powerful workout experience without the noise, this is worth a serious look. The Mirage bike shines in its innovative features. For instance, it has a self-developed app that pairs seamlessly with the bike. This means you can track your distance, time, and calories burned in real time. Plus, it's compatible with KinoMap and Swift, and syncs with Google Fit and Apple Health. This matters for you specifically because it turns your workouts into a fun, data-driven experience, helping you stay motivated with visual progress. Another standout is the Whisper Quiet Magnetic Resistance System. It operates at under 25 decibels, making it perfect for apartments or homes where noise is a concern. Honestly, this genuinely surprised me. I expected a bit more sound, but it was practically silent. The bike also has a heavy-duty frame that supports up to 300 pounds, ensuring stability during intense sessions. Now, some people complained about the setup process taking longer than expected. Here's the thing though, it's about 80% pre-assembled, so while it might take a little effort, you'll still be riding in about 30 minutes. If you're short on time or looking for something plug and play, this might be a consideration. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an all-around bike that can grow with your fitness needs. Skip this one if you need something ultra budget friendly, as there are cheaper options available. When you consider
Product number 2, Mirage Budget Exercise Bike. Next up is another Mirage model, this one priced at $199.99. What really caught my attention here was its blend of affordability and features that cater to both beginners and serious cyclists. If you want a reliable bike without breaking the bank, this is a great option. This bike also comes with the Mirage app for tracking your metrics, which is a huge plus for keeping you on track with your fitness goals. The Quiet Ride is another highlight. It boasts a multi-slot silent belt drive, reducing noise to below 25 decibels. This feature is crucial if you're exercising in a shared space or during off hours when others might be sleeping. You'll appreciate the upgraded LED monitor that provides live feedback on your exercise time, speed, distance, and calories burned. This helps you make real-time adjustments to your routine. The sturdy construction can hold up to 300 pounds, making it a safe choice for various users. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can push yourself without worrying about the bike wobbling or breaking down. However, some users mentioned that they wished for more resistance levels. Now, while the infinite resistance adjustment is great for most, avid cyclists looking for extreme challenges might find it lacking. For those just starting or maintaining fitness, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This bike is perfect for anyone wanting to stay active with a reliable, quiet machine. Skip this option if you're a hardcore cyclist looking for race-level performance. With its features, you're getting great value here.
Product number 3, Yosuda Exercise Bike. The Yosuda Exercise Bike comes in at $189.99, and it's packed with features that make it a solid choice for home workouts. What caught my attention was the focus on stability and a user-friendly experience. If you're looking for a bike that's both reliable and easy to use, this one's worth considering. This bike features a 25-pound flywheel, which ensures a smooth and stable ride. The belt drive system provides a quieter experience compared to traditional chains, which is a big plus for those living in close quarters. With a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds, it's sturdy enough for rigorous workouts. This matters for you specifically because a stable bike means you can focus on your workout, not worrying about balance or safety. The adjustable cage pedals are a thoughtful addition, allowing you to secure your feet while cycling. Plus, the integrated smart app support allows you to enjoy music or track your progress through a tablet holder while riding. It's a nice touch that keeps you entertained and engaged during your sessions. However, users have pointed out that assembly can be a bit tricky for some. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, it provides a fantastic riding experience. For those who aren't very handy, this could be a minor frustration. This is perfect for fitness enthusiasts who want a smooth ride without excessive noise. Skip this one if you're after advanced tracking features or tech-heavy bikes. Product number 4, Barwing Foldable Exercise Bike. Next is the Barwing Foldable Exercise Bike, which is priced at $179.99. This bike caught my eye because of its unique foldable design and multiple workout settings. If space is an issue for you, or you want a bike that adapts to your workout needs, this is a great choice. With 16 levels of adjustable magnetic resistance, you can easily customize your workout intensity. The bike features a quiet operation system, which is perfect for shared living spaces. This is key for you, since a quiet bike means you can work out anytime without disturbing others. One of the standout features is its 5-in-1 design, allowing you to perform upright, reclined, and even folding workouts, which is great for targeting different muscle groups. It also includes resistance bands for upper body workouts. This versatility can really help you maximize your fitness routine and keep things interesting. On the downside, some users have mentioned that the seat can be less comfortable during long rides. Here's the thing though, with some additional padding or a seat cover, this can easily be solved, and it's a trade-off for the space-saving design. This is perfect for people living in apartments or anyone who wants a compact, multifunctional workout solution. Skip this if you're looking for a heavy-duty machine meant for intense cycling sessions. When considering
Product number 5, ReLife Exercise Bike. Last on our list is the ReLife Rebuild Your Life Exercise Bike, priced at just $129.99. What stood out to me was its affordability and practicality for everyday users. If you're just starting out or on a tight budget, this bike is worth a look. The ReLife bike boasts a quiet, belt-driven system, which is excellent for maintaining peace at home while you work out. It features adjustable resistance to tailor your ride based on your fitness goals, making it very user-friendly. This is crucial for those who may be intimidated by high-tech equipment. It keeps things straightforward while still being effective. The adjustable seat and foot straps allow for a more comfortable and secure ride, accommodating different heights and ensuring your feet stay in place. Not to mention, its compact design makes it easy to store away, which is perfect if you don't have a lot of extra space. Some users have reported that the bike doesn't feel as durable as pricier models. Here's the thing though, for the price, you're getting a solid entry-level bike that performs well without costing you an arm and a leg. If you treat it with care, it can be a reliable workout companion. This is perfect for beginners or casual riders looking for an affordable option. Skip this if you need.
To recap, we've explored some fantastic options today. The Merak exercise bike for its features, the budget-friendly Merak model, the Yosuda for its stability, the versatile bar wing, and the affordable ReLife. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Merak exercise bike because it offers a perfect balance of features and performance. For those looking for something basic, I recommend avoiding the ReLife, as it may not meet the needs of serious cyclists. I've put all the links in the description